today we see that the government is tackling something new for the masses. What say you about it?
Well, today, from my end, what we intend to present to the Parliament is the new electricity bill, which will revolutionize the electricity sector here in St. Lucia. What we have decided to do today is not to go through with the second reading as it is expected, but to delay the second reading, which would allow for even further ventilation of the legislation, so that persons of interest can study the legislation even further. That is in addition to the public consultation sessions which we held for the last 2 years. The intention was to have an additional 5 consultations. We completed 7 consultations, the north, south, east, and west of the country, in every major town and village, the city itself, where we met with citizens and discussed the legislation. We also met with the business community through the various associations where we discussed the legislation. But today I will make a statement on the initiative to indicate the government's commitment and to at least enforce and underscore the notice that the bill will be presented at a next or subsequent sitting of the Parliament.
Can you update us a little bit on what's happening on the roads?
Well, roadworks are continuing. Of course, opposition forces will continue to shout out bad roads, but we are continuing with our roadworks. As we speak, the West Coast Road is ongoing, although still not to my satisfaction. We have roads being implemented in various other constituencies. We have just approved another set of roads which will be all over the island. In Babonneau, in Groseilliers, in Castries North, Castries East, Castries South, Southeast, throughout the country, Micoud, Villefort, Labrie, Soufrière, and Choiseul. Those roads form the first part of the investment program under the CIP, and we are now at a technical level reviewing the second part of those roads.